Today we're going to talk about ceramic coating. Very popular, you hear about it all the time. We're going to talk about the pros and cons. All right, so here we have a car that's ceramic coated. A lot of pros with ceramic coating. It helps you clean the car. It has a really nice high gloss finish to the car. Once you put it on your paint, it will make it protect it from scratches. And the biggest thing that we notice, it really deepens the color of your car, makes it easy to clean as nothing will stick to it. So we're gonna do a quick demo of what it looks like when water or mud hits your car. So you can see on a ceramic coated car, when water gets on there, it really just kind of flushes right off there really fast. Really easy to clean and wipe up. It's almost like having a permanent wax on your car at all times. So here we have a car that is not ceramic coated. And you can see once we pour some water on this, how the water is just gonna kind of almost just stay on the car in big puddles up here. It's gonna kind of make these big streaks and almost wants to just stay on the car and puddle. It does not want to, and this is a pretty new car, only a few months old, but you can see the water kind of wants to stay in that puddle. Doesn't really want to flow off like it would be if it was ceramic coated. Okay, so we've seen some pros to having ceramic coating on your car. And now a question we have to ask, is the car ceramic coated? Because once the car is ceramic coated, you cannot wrap your car. You cannot stripe your car, you can't decal your car. So what we're gonna do right here is I'm gonna show a demo of a car that's ceramic coated, and we're gonna try to apply some vinyl to it. And I'm gonna show you how it does not stick to the surface. It doesn't matter what we do, it's not going to stick. So we're cleaning the surface with isopropyl alcohol, and then we're gonna take a piece. This is Avery's cast wrap film, and we're gonna stick that on, and I can remove that almost like a sticky note. All right, so we've tried Avery, let's try 3M's wrap film. So this is their 2080 series. It's a little bit more aggressive than Avery, and let's try that. Okay, you can see it's down. Grab a little corner, and you can see it comes off really, really simple. So remember, if your vehicle's ceramic coated, there's a good chance you're not gonna be able to wrap it and make it last long term. So here's a piece of board that we've wrapped in a matte vinyl, coated one side and uncoated the other side, so you can kind of see a difference what a ceramic coat will do to help keep your wrap looking fresh. So you can see on the coated side, the water is almost gone, where this means no dirt or elements are gonna sit on your wrap. Here, where it's uncoated, the water just sits there. That means contaminations from outside elements from trees and rain and dirt and snow are just literally sitting on your wrap. So if you have a vehicle wrap or want to get a vehicle wrap, remember to give us a call. We'll help you with the ceramic coat, and of course, we're gonna make sure you are taken care of.